Hi everyone. Haven't done anything for the last month and a half. It was quite cold. Today we're gonna do something interesting, and that is the power steering reservoir and the hoses. Also, I have a, as you can see, this one is damaged. I have a new one, it's metal, and I have a new coolant cap because this one is leaking. I think I have a video. The vapor is coming out from here somewhere, I don't know. So we're gonna replace it. Yeah, that's pretty old oil, and it was leaking on the pump because all very greasy up here. So, and it doesn't have the original clamp here, so somebody has done something to the pump and replaced with a universal clamp, so that's why it's leaking and that's why it looks like this. And we need to take out this upper one. Now guess the size of the socket. I'm trying 6mm. Well, it's a 6mm. Nice. Maybe I should disassemble the reservoir, then leak this hose, and then remove it here, because if I do, it's gonna leak all over everything. Okay, so I need a 10mm. Here it is, and it's out. Okay, so we got that out, and nothing is coming out from here, so the pump was pretty empty. Now we're gonna let it leak. These are the new parts. I have went with Topran for the and it's gone. The thicker hose and the power steering reservoir, and I have this, I don't know which brand it is, but it's 𝐜𝐨𝐬𝐻𝐿𝐷 and there was only blue at the shop at the time, so I need to do this painlessly, so it's gonna be blue for now. I hope it doesn't make any difference on the MOT. And I got some quality clamps, so I'm not gonna use those cheap ones that are made of goo. And let's install this. That goes like this. Great, I didn't need to warm it up. The position of it is like this, so the best way to clamp it is like this. And this one is not a 6, it's a 7. Okay, and the second hose, I'm just gonna replicate the position of the previous one, and it's going like this. And we need to cut this off because it's not straight. Okay, so the clamp, maybe I should leave it like this because it's gonna be easier to unclamp one day. No, I just want to tighten it up properly. Gonna do the same with this one. No, maybe I will need to rotate it. No, I'm not gonna tighten this one. Clamp, the hose, maybe I need to shorten the hose a bit. And we got it. If I find a black hose, I'm definitely gonna replace it. I'm not a fan of blue silicone hoses, and this one just looks like a tuning part, which is not. I think it's tight enough, and I have mistaken the position of this clamp, so it's not a good position. I need to loosen it somehow and rotate it. Bit of cleanup as much as I can. For this I'm going to use a manual. It's ATF. I'm using this because I already had it. No need to buy it. It's ATF, so it fits. Way to go. Yay! I'm spilling it all over the place. It looks like it's... I have made a pretty big mess here. Now I need to turn the car. Now I will start the car and top up the fluid when it sucks it in. And I'm not gonna start the car because the battery is dead. While bleeding this, I have destroyed the screw. Look at it. It's cheap plastic, probably old. And as a replacement, I have this. Great. And this is probably the original cap. I don't know, does it say the date of production? I really don't know. I don't see anything anywhere. But I have this, and this is a replacement part. Oh, look at it, we have a bug in it. Yeah. 10 years ago I bought my first E46 and the expansion tank blew up, so I bought another one and the new one blew up, so I got the replacement part and that stayed in the car, but this one is from the first replacement, so it's practically brand new, but it was 10 years in a box, so I'm gonna use this one. These two are going in the bin. So I think this is bled now, and the oil is between the markings. It's actually above the markings, but I think there will be a bit of oil loss, so it will get in its place. I think this concludes this episode for now. We have the power steering alive. It was missing fluid, it was oily, leaking and everything, so everything now is new, so we can proceed to the next part. See you on the next one. Ciao.